Herbs for hair growth. Hair is made up of a protein called keratin. The hair that we see and care so much about is actually nothing but dead cells. The part that is living is below the scalp and is called the follicle. Near the follicle are the sebaceous glands that make the hair look vibrant and shiny. These sebaceous glands make the hair look oily or dry depending on the sebum production. The following are the uses of herbs for hair growth. The first positive thing about using herbs for hair growth is that there are no side effects associated with them like the drugs that are available in the market. If you have lifeless hair, it can be made better with massage with good herbal oil. 1. Applying henna to hair deep conditions it. Henna is a very traditional and widely used treatment for hair growth. This herb is available in tropics. Henna is also used as a natural dye. Henna is mixed with other herbs like gooseberry, coffee, and lemon juice. This mixture is a very good cure for hair fall. 2. Massage your hair with warm oil. Take a fresh green coconut and massage some warm coconut milk into the hair. Keep this on for an hour and a half. This will make the hair soft and healthy. 3. Use aloe vera gel on the hair once in a week and wash your hair. 4. Hair loss is usually due to infection that harms the follicle. You can get rid of this infection by the use of the water on the hair with neem leaves that have been boiled for 5 minutes. Neem is considered as a natural disinfectant and doesn't damage the hair shaft. It is also known to cure dandruff, which is also one of the reasons for hair loss. 5. Honey mixed with warm oil and a teaspoonful of cinnamon powder has to be rubbed into the scalp. This should be left on the scalp for around 15 minutes. This helps in hair growth and helps in keeping the hair soft and shiny. 6. Crushed olive leaves mixed with vinegar should be applied to the hair. This a great remedy for hair loss. 7. A paste made of honey and egg yolk is also used for hair growth. To counter the smell caused by egg can be countered by rinsing the hair with lemon juice. 8. Doctors recommend diets rich in nutrients that boost the growth of hair. If you want to stop hair loss, you should include lots of vitamin A-rich diet. Eat green leafy vegetables like spinach, milk, sprouted beans, and salads. Increase the intake of protein-rich diet and you will naturally healthy hairs that promote hair growth. Good hair adds beauty to your personality, and it is only a healthy body that can be capped with beautiful hair. Eating a nutritious diet and protein-rich diets that are healthy to your health will add starts to your crowning glory.